Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix screen flickering on your Motorola Moto G57 Power. So first, we want to go over into the settings and change our brightness. So we're going to go to display. Now in the display, we want to disable adaptive brightness, is very important. And after that, we can change our volume level. If we do not disable adaptive brightness, then our brightness level will change again. So we want to make sure that it is disabled. Now here we want to go over to the Play Store next, and if you still have the screen flickering, go to search and search for screen dimmer and then OLED saver. Here you will see the first app and you want to install it. It's only 1.5 megabytes, so it should install pretty quickly. Open it and you need to grant permissions. The first one to change the brightness, the next one whenever we update the overlay, rotate our screen or change our keyboard or enable our keyboard. Go to the screen dimmer, use it and click allow. Now leave, and last permission, grant the notifications. Press here and now you'll see the notification pop up to change the brightness from here. So you guys can adjust it however you like, and if you don't want it, simply click here, but then make sure to change your brightness because it boosts the brightness a little bit. After changing it, what you guys can do as a last resort is go over into settings, and in the settings scroll down to system updates. Here click check for updates, and everything looks good for me. I am using the latest software version. My security patch is from 1st of January and I have the Android version 16, so make sure that you do too. This is very important to keep up with the latest software updates, and that's basically it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.